宇宙から届く不思議を伝えよう。
Let's talk about mystery of universe. It's haiku. It's traditional Japanese poetry. And we can start. First of all, I want to introduce our study group number 7, and we have super topic is cosmology. But this topic collaborate next country. It's Brazil, Bulgaria, Dominican Republic, Japan, and Ukraine. And when we start our work, we try to find our inspiration, and we found it with John Elias. After that, of course, we start. In Poland, it's first our step, and next it was so many fun jobs. We work a lot of all this week, and after this we have some discoveries. And first part, Camila say about it.
Hi, I'm so happy to be able to use the mic now. So we're going to talk about now the curriculum of our countries, and Brazil, Dominican Republic, and Japan has actually something in common. Students only have cosmology courses in the university. In Bulgaria, they have it from the 7th to 12th grade, to years of education, and in Ukraine, they have it in the 3rd year of high school. But then you want to present these topics and these concepts for your students. What are you going to do? You don't have to freak out. You can link them with traditionally presented topics in your curriculum. For example, you can talk about the universe origin during your lecturing or your topic of thermodynamics. After that, you can talk about inflation of the universe, for example, during optics, because we're going to talk about redshift. You can also relay like star and galaxy here, star and galaxy evolution, black holes, to Kepler's law and gravitational force. And after you have talked about it, you can then talk about the present and the end of the universe. So it gets it much easier. But then when you talk about nuclear physics, it's even greater, because you can relay, you can link it to cosmic rays, atoms fusion, photoelectric effect, and standard model, and then from photoelectric effect, you can talk about the detection technology. First, last but not least, then you can talk about special and general relativity relating to Galilean relativity. That's usually what I do on the 1st grade, so 1st year of high school. So they're not still like square-minded about it, and they're very open to it, so it's much, much easier to make them understand. And,
okay, thank you. What's the target and main goals for teachers? First of all, it's provide general and specialized system of knowledge, astronomy and astrophysics. Form skills to critical reading and critical writing, logical expression their thoughts. Of course, it's development, communication ability, because without communication we can't do any collaboration. And of course, it's develop ability to work with different sources. And what we expect from our student. Next is main concept, what we expect. Of course, it's general knowledge in galactic astronomy. It's knowledge about cosmology, cosmological paradoxes, principles. Of course,